Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to walk you through the two-dimensional figures project that you are going to be starting today. So if you log into your Summit platforms and you click on the two-dimensional figures project in math, it's right here, you'll see all the different components of the project. So you have your final product right here, the checkpoints underneath, and that's it. There's only two checkpoints in here. So you have this understanding two-dimensional figures checkpoint, the Flipgrid video checkpoint, and then you're ending the project with your performance task. If you look on the orange math wall, which you see right in front of you now, you have the mountain set up. So at the bottom of the mountain where you guys are going to be starting is you have the Quizlet vocabulary. So if you look on Summit, your first resource under the first checkpoint is Quizlet Vocab. That's an online resource. So all you guys will be working on that independently in order to prepare yourself for the next part of the mountain, which is the vocab memory game. I want you guys as a group to be working on these. So you're going to be working on them when you're at the collab lab, when there is a sub in there. If there is just coverage, other teachers from the school coming in to teach the class, and you are not going to be in a station rotation, you're just going to decide as a group what you need, either time to work on the project or time to work on the focus areas. But as a group, I want you to be working on each one of these parts of the mountain. So your team cannot move up to the next thing until everyone from your entire group has mastered it. So for example, Quizlet Vocab, I want you to spend a couple of days on that. You really need to have people knowing what the vocabulary and the definitions are in order to play this game. So if it takes, someone in your group 3 days to practice it, that's fine. You guys can all practice it for 3 days. There's a lot of games in there that you'll enjoy playing. If you look at the reading wall for their mountain, for the project that they're working on in my reading class, you'll see team names over in this area. You guys need to make those because I didn't get a chance to do those before I left. So each team should have a little post-it note with your team name. So Stanford Team 1 or Princeton Team 2, whatever it is right here. And then once you finish that and you're saying that everyone from your whole group has mastered it, you're going to move your post-it note up to this next thing so that we can see that you have mastered that checkpoint. Some of them are printout. The sub has those available, but they need to be copied. If you are not able to get a paper version of it, it's also available on the platform in here. So don't say that you couldn't do it because it was paper only. If you click on it, like Classify 2D Shapes, it's right here and you can do it online. You just make a copy and save it to your Google Drive. All right. Each one of these parts of the mountain, so each resource in a checkpoint, should take 1 to 2 days. You should not be doing multiple ones of these in the same day. If you're doing that, that means you're not doing it the right way. So spend a lot of time on this and work together collaboratively, because I'm not sure how much instruction is going to be provided for you on two-dimensional figures before you take this performance task. And once you take this performance task, that's your grade for the quarter. So you really need to work together in order to get through this mountain. All right, have fun learning.